Children, now I am going to discuss about some questions which are given in your book in page number 6, and all these questions are based on figure 1.4. You can see here you can see the map of our country, and the location and extent it is given here. Children, considering this figure, means this map, now I will discuss the questions which are given here, because if you understand these questions, then the concept of Indian Standard Time, it will be more clear to you. The first question that is given here: considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? Children, the longitudinal extent in India, mainly considering the longitudinal extent of India, 29 longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map. 29 longitudes. So children, how is it possible for us to tell 29 longitudes? Because you can see here that in the western part of our country it is written 68 degree 7 minute east longitude. It is 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude. And next, here you can see 97 degree 25 east longitude. So in between 67 from 68 degree to 97 degree, it is the longitudinal extent of our country. So if we subtract, then we can find out that we have means 29 degree. The difference is 29 degree between 68 to 97. So what is the question here? That considering the longitudinal extent, how many longitudes can be drawn in of 1 degree can be drawn. So here we can means 29 longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on a map. Children, in this way we have found the answer. Now the next question: by how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes differ? Children, you know that the earth rotates around its own axis, and the earth rotates around its own axis, and the earth covers 360 degree in 24 hours. So if it covers 360 degree in 24 hours, means that is in 1 minute it is children, that is if so it takes 4 minutes to rotate by 1 degree around its axis, because 360 degree in 24 hours. So then we can find out that for 1 hour it is only 15 degree, and then for 4 minutes the earth rotates by 1 degree around its axis. So what is the answer here? Children, what is the answer here? The question is that by how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes means the difference is 1 degree. So that's why two consecutive longitudes differs by 4 minutes. Two consecutive longitudes, because what is the calculation here? Because the difference between two consecutive longitudes, that is 1 degree, and the earth rotates means the earth takes 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree around its own axis. So that's why what is the answer here? Two consecutive longitudes differ by 4 minutes. Now the next question, what is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? Children, you can see here in this map that in this map you can see here Mirzapur it is written, and the longitude it is indicated here, it is Mirzapur, and the longitude is indicated here 82 degree 30 minute east. So what is the value? 82 degree 30 minute east of longitude at Mirzapur. Children, the next question, if it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minute east, what would be the time in their clocks at the following places? The places are Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer and Guwahati. Children, already you have come to know that in India the time at 82 degree 30 minute east is considered as standard time of India. So therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. So the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Now the last question, though the distance between them is more, why doesn't the standard time differ in these places? Children, in India, the time at 82 degree 30 minute east is considered as standard time of India, and therefore the same time will be considered everywhere in India. Therefore, though the distance between them is more, the standard time doesn't differ in these places. So children, in this map you can see that the 80 Indian Standard Time, it is standard time meridian, it is indicated here, that is 82 degree 30 minute east. It passes through Mirzapur, and it is the Indian Standard Time. And also in this map you can see the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, it is 23 degree 30 minutes north. Tropic of Cancer, it is the examples of parallels, that is the latitudes, okay, and meridian, these are the longitudes. So children, Tropic of Cancer, it is the horizontal line, it is the examples of latitudes or the parallels, and Indian Standard Time meridian, Meridians are the longitudes, are the vertical lines on imaginary vertical lines on earth. So children, today I have discussed in detail about the topic local time. Already it was discussed yesterday. Again I have revised, and then today I have continued the topic. The next part of the topic I have told you, that is the standard time, what is meant by the standard time, India standard time, and also the universal standard time. Now you should go through the topic. You should read the topic in detail from your textbook, because it is really very important to read the topic as well as to understand the topic clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.